Kia ora koutou, nau mai hoki mai, welcome back. Hey, kei te tekau o ngā tohu tātou e haere ana. So basically we're having a look at the 10th of the symbols within the pathway of learning of Tākina te kupu. Level 1 I should say. So what we have here is Te Reo o te Kainga of the homestead, o te Kura within school, the language of the school, o ngā kaimahi, language that you use in a workplace, o te wāhi mahi. So how does that apply? This is about utilizing the language as a whole, né? So, and how you may use some of these features within the language within those domains, I should say. So within the household, if we're looking at counting the tohu tato, you might say, e hia ngā kapu, how many cups are there? Oh, e toru ngā kapu, there are 3 cups. Oh, te kau mā tahi ngā peretine, there are 11 plates. So that may be one brief example of using counting within the homestead. Or in the Kura, you know, e rua, tāpiri ki te toru, e rite ana ki te rima, ne? So there might be 2 plus 3 is 5. Instructional, using the tohu instructions within the workplace, for instance, tohu. Tiki natu te turu, can you fetch the chair? Whakahokia mai ki kone, return it here. Haria te peke ki waho, can you carry that bag outside? So there's instructional language. For a teacher, it might be simple. E noho, sit down. E tu, stand up. Kaua e kōrero, don't speak. Waiata, sing. So again, within each of these places, if you look at any one of these symbols, there is a type of language that exists and vocab within the household, within the school, or within the workplace. That's pretty much what is encompassed in this learning pathway as part of a whole and a holistic style of learning the different types of language you need at a foundational level of learning. Ngā mihi kia koutou.